This is the practice test for measurements. Here we're working on problem number 14, letter B. And the problem says, when Janet runs, her average step length increases to 31 inches. How many steps would she have to take to run 1 mile, which is 5,280 feet, round to the nearest step? So we first want to find out how many inches are in this mile of 5,280 feet. In other words, we want to convert the feet to the number of inches. And we need a formula that will convert feet to inches. So if we go to our formula sheet, we find up here we have this formula. Under length, 1 foot is 12 inches. That's the formula that we're going to use to convert the number of the 5,280 feet into the number of inches. We go back to our problem. We take our formula, set it up as a ratio. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And then we're going to take the 5,280 feet, put that on the top because we have feet on the top over here. And we're going to convert that to the number of inches, which we put on the bottom. And to solve this proportion, we always take the two numbers across from one another. 12 times 5,280, we multiply them, and we can also divide by the 1, but that won't change the answer. And this is the way you solve for the unknown in the proportion. The n is 63,360 inches. So this is the number of inches in the mile. So she wants to run 1 mile, or 63,360 inches. How many steps does she have to take? And we're told she goes 31 inches in every step. So we're going to take the total number of inches that she needs to run, divide that by the number of inches in each step, and that's going to give us the number of steps. So this is what you should get on your calculator. And we are told to round it to the nearest step, which is the 1's place, where the 3 is. And we look at the number to the right of that, which is 8. It's 5 or greater, so the 3 is going to be rounded up to a 4. And this is our final answer. 2,044 steps will equal 1 mile.